Hey guys, Zachary from Take 6 here. So today I made a little funny video. Sorry we've been off schedule a little bit. We've been busy with school. We're about to go to spring break and all that. So we have a bunch of tests. And so basically I haven't been able to upload as much as we said we would. But yeah, so basically I'm uploading this video and I'm expecting to upload a montage. Like there won't be an actual video coming out next week. There will be a montage next week. So, yeah, so be ready for that, and yeah, this is basically it. This is Zachary from Take 6, signing out. Peace.
I'm videoing you and uploading it.
Very wrong.
Ah!